Hi sweeties, welcome to Crochet Diva. In today's video I will show you how to make a yarn bobbin without spending any money. These bobbins are useful for winding yarns or thread to make crochet projects. For example, graph guns, C2C, pixel arts and many more, where you will be using various colors of yarn. These bobbins cost nothing compared to wooden or plastic pegs. I will explain how to make these and also how to use them. So let's dig in. For this project I have used a pair of scissors and a cardboard box packaging. If you don't have hard cardboard box, then you can use any cereal box or even any box packaging. First, we'll cut a rectangle shape out of this paper. Sizes of these rectangles depends on how much yarn you're going to wrap around these bobbins. It doesn't need to be perfect shape, just a roughly rectangle shape would be fine. You will be surprised to see how easy it is to make one of these bobbins without spending any penny. My rectangle is ready. Now I'm going to give it a shape like this, a dog bone shape. So I will show you how I have done it. By using a pair of scissors, start from a corner and make sure you are in the longer side. Cut diagonally, then turn right and cut straight, and then again cut diagonally to the right. You will notice that it already has started shaping like a dog bone. Do the same cut on the other side of this rectangle cardboard paper. These cuts doesn't need to be perfect. As you can see, my dog bone is ready. Next, cut a slit in both sides where we will be wrap our yarn ends. With a pen or pencil, you can write your yarn information on the dog bone paper. For example, for my project, I'm going to use cottony DK yarn. Most of the time, I try to write really important informations like which size of hook I'm using for this project and color shade of this yarn. Also, don't forget to write down yarn weight. For example, this one is a DK yarn. Here in the white part of the bobbin, I will write down name of this brand. It's Signet. Next, I will write down shade name of this color. You can write down as much information as you needed in the wider part of this bobbin. Here I'm writing down the size of the hook I'm using for this project. It's 3.5 millimeter. Next, I'll write down the weight and material of this yarn. It's a DK cotton yarn. Lastly, I will show you how to wind this yarn around this small bobbin. So I'm going to insert my yarn in the slit I have made before here. Next, I'm going to wrap this yarn around. Wind as much yarn as you needed for your project. So I'm going to make a small yarn bobbin. Keep wrapping yarn around the bobbin until you think you have enough yarn for your project. I think this much yarn will be enough for me for my project. So now I'm going to cut the yarn ends with the scissor. Here. There's another slit on the other side of this yarn bobbin where I have inserted the end of this yarn. That's it. It's so easy. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Crochet Diva.